Why is your Achilles tendon pain just still not improving? Reason one is many people will try to stretch their calf to improve their Achilles pain. But actually what you've got to remember is that the Achilles is a spring. And what happens if you stretch a spring? It actually gets less springy. So if all you've tried is stretches, you need to try some other type of exercises as well. Reason two is that lots of people actually stop running and rest their tendons. If you rest a tendon for too long, then actually the tendon and the muscle is going to get weaker. And in the end, that's not going to get you where you need to be. Reason three is that if you have been given exercises, lots of people don't comply with the exercise enough or commit to the exercises for long enough. You really do need to be doing these exercises for 8 to 12 weeks to get the full effect to improve your tendon. Reason four is that you actually haven't loaded the tendon heavy enough. So when you're doing your exercises, for example, if you're doing a calf raise, you need to make sure that you go above your body weight. So when you're going up and down, you'll be doing 1 times your body weight, but you do need to add weight to that. So you could put a rucksack on your back and add some heavy welly boots in there. So you're actually going above 1 times your body weight. When we jog or when we run, it's probably at least 2 to 3 times your body weight going through the Achilles tendon. So you've got to make it strong enough. Reason 5 is actually you don't have an Achilles tendon problem at all, and that's why it's not improving. So it's really important to get the right diagnosis and get the right treatment. If you found this blog useful, you've got any questions at all, then please just leave us some comments.